Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will understand about the tab and slot feature in the sheet metal SolidWorks. Let us start. Actually these are the, let us start. New part, okay. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background plain white, unit system is here, millimeter gram second, okay. Actually, we will create tab and slot feature in the sheet metal SolidWorks. These are also known as the finger joints. So these are used in the cabinets and and interlocking the sheets. So let's start here. I am taking first is the top plane sketch. Is center rectangle, this one, this dimension I am taking 200 mm. Simple part I am making, two parts I will make, and this dimension I am taking 190 mm. Okay, this one, this I am making, this one. Sheet metal, in the tab section I will go in the sheet metal. If you don't have the sheet metal, right click any tab and sketch sheet metal, check it, this will appear in this tab section. I have that sheet metal already. Sheet metal base flange, this one I am taking the sheet thickness 2 mm. From here you can reverse direction. It is a metal, for in this case I am taking this dimension. K factor point, auto relief I will not provide. This is the base flange here. I have provided, this is the base flange. I am giving the appearance from here, appearance, and appearance I am giving this one and this, and okay, plain white, this. Now I will create another sheet also here. This, select this one. I am taking a plane, front right plane. I am taking right plane here. Sketch this one, select this sketch, right plane, sketch. Okay, normal. I am taking corner rectangle. This dimension I have taken 190 mm because width is 190. Okay, sketch this one. Height, this one I am taking 100 mm only. This one. Sketch is fully defined. Sheet metal base flange, this one, this I have taken. Thickness I am taking 2 mm. Okay, K factor, this one. Auto relief, there is no use of this auto relief in this case. Now there are the base flange here. Unmerged relt, I am taking unmerged relt here, this one. Now actually the insert sheet metal, and here you will find the tab and slot. In the insert sheet metal, and you will find here tab and slot. Actually these are used for the interlocking purpose in the sheet metal parts. These are also known as the finger joints also. Okay, so group one, actually I have only the one. I have to create one in the two parts only. If there are more than one part, these parts, if in place of these are the two parts, I will have to select the another group, but I have the this part and this part only. Okay, so new group, this is group one. Select first is the select this edge, this one, this edge. Okay, now this one, select this bottom face, this one. Now you will see the tags will be created in the upper portion and slot will be created in the bottom portion. Okay. Offset. If I uncheck the offset, these are the tabs are created at the extreme ends. And this is equal spacing. 6 number. You will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. Suppose you want to use offset. Offset, it means D1 and D2. It means these are the 2 points. First offset, suppose you take first offset, it put at a distance of 20 mm. It means first tab is at a distance of 20 mm. And second tab also from this point to this one. Suppose I select this one and this one. Both are this one. These tabs are at a distance of 20 mm from this one. Equal spacing, number of tabs are the 6. I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tabs I am using. Length you can take the length of these tabs. This one. You can, suppose I take 6 mm. This one. This is the length. Height means this height. Vertical direction up to surface. If you use the blind, you can give the length. It will cross this sheet. You will see here. This is crossing this sheet. So I am taking only the blind up to surface. Up to surface. This surface. Now there are the 3 edges option. This is the sharp edge. You will see sharp edge. This is the fillet. This is the fillet edge. This is the chamfer edge. I am taking only 0.5 mm. 0.5 mm the radius of the tab. I will show you. Slot not through cut. This is the 0.20. This is the 0.20 in this direction. Okay, you will see here 0.20 offset in the slot portion. This is for slot portion, and this is the in this one 0.3. This is the width portion 0.3. You will see, I will show you corner type. You can see here fillet. In this I am using for the slot portion. Slot portion will be in the bottom portion. I will show you separately. And this is the 0.20 slot length offset. This is the tolerance in the slot portion of 0.20. Suppose length is 5 mm of the 6 mm of the tab. So this distance slot length will be 6.4 mm, and width is actually the sheet thickness 2 mm. So this will be 2.6 mm. Okay, and this one corner you can select this one. This is only for I am taking this one, and this radius I am taking also 0.5 mm. This one 0.50 and hit the right button. This one. Suppose you have another, so have more than one part here. Suppose you have the another part, you can select the new group and make similar procedure you can repeat. Okay, but I have only one part and this bottom part. Suppose you have another part here, you can use another new group and similar procedure you can apply. And this one, I am hitting the right button, this one. So now I will separate this one. Direct editing, move body, this move body, this one move body. In the Y direction, I am moving this one and this one. Now this one. Body move, this one. Base flange, this one. I am applying this base flange, second base flange. This one, appearance, I am giving this red color here. This one, you will see upper portion. In upper portion there are the tabs, and this is the bottom portion, there is the slot. This one. If you measure the length and go in the evaluate, measure, and this length you will measure from here. This one, select this face and this face. You will see this is the tab length 6 mm normal distance. Okay, this one. And suppose you want to check the fillet radius, select this one. This is the fillet radius. Fillet radius is the 0.5. I have provided the, in the tab section, there is the fillet radius, this one. And the width of this one is how much width of this one? This is the equal to sheet thickness, this one and this one. This is 2 mm because the sheet thickness is 2 mm. Okay, this is for the tab section. Now is the bottom section. Bottom section, you will see measure and this one. Suppose length is this and this one. This is 6.4. Because in the length portion, I have provided the 0.2 mm tolerance. So total length of the tab is 6 mm. 0.2 plus 10.2, 6.4 mm. Clear. Now, what about this one, this one, this and this one? Here I 2 point, because thickness of the sheet is 2. I have provided the tolerance of 0.3 on each side. So total distance will be 2.6 mm. In this way, you can measure the things only. Actually, these are also tab and slot, also known as the flange joint. Actually, these are used for the sheet metal to interlocking purpose. These are used for the interlocking purpose. Used for the interlocking portion. Later on, you press it in this one and weld it and make it. These are also used in the cabinets, etc. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.